all of you guys are building off of each other's design. It all got to be the right height. I now need this side to be equivalent to that side, because the main thing coming in, you want it to be symmetrical.
Dan from Canada, and glad to spend 3 days here in Atlanta with Precious and Posh Draping Studio, and it was a great weekend.
Garden Glam! Hey guys, we just wrapped our 4-day Garden Glam draping workshop here in our Atlanta studio. I'm trying to tell you, it's so many new things that's happening in the draping industry, guys. We doing now florals and butterflies and all kinds of stuff. As you see right now behind us is the Baroque design. If you're looking to take your designs to the next level, you need to check out our new schedule, because we have new classes with all types of stuff, and you don't want to miss it if you're looking to level up in the draping game. All I need you to do is comment class below, and we're going to send you the link to our new schedule. Bye!